What's up everybody, this is Sheriff the Broker. Today we are in Topkapı. Topkapı is a district of Istanbul which is not written anywhere like Nişantaşı, but in between Fatih and Zeytinburnu. Some part is Fatih, some part is Zeytinburnu. We are in the Zeytinburnu part, in the project of 3S Kale Topaz Residence. In this location, most important thing is location. That's why I wanted to start here. We are around of 6 universities. So in this location, İstinye University, Yıldız Technical University, Biruni University, Aydın University, Yeni Yüzyıl University. We said all of them. There are many universities, and all of them are walking distance. This is great privilege. And in the walking distance, Metro bus. We are just next to E5. Metro, tramway, and also Marmaray. And very close by, Yenikapı ferry station. So this location is center of many things and very close by to the historical point of Fatih. And the project is constructed by 3S Kale Holding from all Turkish people, maybe in your country you know as well. Kale is the producer of all our houses, locks of the doors and the safe doors in Turkey. They are in the defense sector and this is their construction division. They are constructing here this 228 apartments, 3 blocks of project. The project is on 9,000 meters square land, 228 apartments, 2 floors of offices and underneath shops. Will be delivered end of December 2022. But Kale Holding is famous with their early deliveries and I'm surprised. Right now we are in September 2021 now and they sold out 80% of these residences. Only 45 apartments left. The project is only 1 bed and 2 beds apartments. This block is residential, and this one, which is amazing, they're giving privilege of renting the units like short term. You can do Airbnb and they are giving the reception and the hotel services in this project. The project has indoor swimming pool, gym, spa, indoor parking of course, which is something great that in the middle of 2 blocks there's 1,600 meters square of garden. And the distance of between 2 blocks are 40 meters, which is giving a bigger distance than the other buildings you have other side of the project. Maybe you noticed all around is already developed very well and it's very hard to find land over here. So we mentioned about the location, the project. Now we are passing to the sample apartment. Let's walk. We are getting into our apartment right now. As I mentioned, Kale is the producer of these doors and right now in 2020 they are producing many items inside the house. So many of these are used of their own production, the ceramics, kitchen items, we will see all of them. This apartment is 104 meters square gross size and 70 meters square net size. They have 3 types of 2 beds and this is the mid-size example unit. The apartment has a full smart system which you can manage the cameras, interior like electrics, water, gas, all these things you can turn on and you can connect your phone to the apartment. It's taking us directly to the living space. This apartment has 70 meters square net size and designed very well. We have a compact size of living space over here. There will be radiators for the heating system which is not here right now. If you can come, I will show the kitchen side. In the kitchen, the oven, cooker, aspirator, dishwasher, all of them are included and they use the Siemens. And also the apartment is coming with 2 air conditions with the flat. Only here the refrigerator they are not giving. You can purchase however you like. The apartment, the most important thing, maybe you didn't notice yet, but we don't hear anything because there's a great isolation of sound between the apartments and between the outside. So while you are inside your apartment, you will not hear anything. We have a compact size of balcony over here. It is enough for 2 people to have breakfast outside. This is the family room area and the ceiling of the apartment is 280. And from this space, we are getting to bedroom. Before passing the bedroom, in here we have the cloakroom space for the jackets, and shoes. This is the first bedroom. From this bedroom, it is possible to exit to balcony as well. This is a small bedroom, but enough, which is 9 meters square for a single bed. It is enough size. There is a huge space for the washing and dishwasher. It's kind of also giving some space for storage as well upside and the right side of this room. This is the guest bathroom and as a powder room also. Here we have a floating vanity, which is also Kale branded. And the Kale branded this pharmaceutical mirror and floating toilet system, and also the bathroom. And all these ceramics are used as produced by Kale, which is also good for humidity. And this is the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom. It's well designed. You can easily settle your wardrobes here. They designed it very well in the sample one, because this wardrobe you can make it ladies and this one men, and in the middle you have a mirror for the makeup and double bed, and nice to set up your big size right and left hand side cupboards. And maybe instead of mirror you may think to put some TV over here, and you know there are some new technologies now, you can put TV and mirror combined. For this size, which has surprised me, on this apartment there is 2 bathrooms. This master bedroom has master bath as well, which is similar to guest bathroom too. Great space for shower, nice ceramics, which looks like marble by the way. Heating here, radiator heating. So overall 70 meters square, net size apartment of Kale 3S Topaz is like this. Let's go back to the living room, and I would like to explain about the price structure here. This property most probably for you it will be investment. So far 45 units left. I'm not sure if you can catch this deal or not, but currently price range is approximately $300,000 range for 2 beds. And for this central location, you don't have any risk to rent out, because 6 universities, all these universities, students, academics, and in the Yıldız Technical University there is Technokent, which is all the startups are there. One of these people may choose to live here. Also, all Istanbul central locations, white collar workers are preferring this position to live, because metro, metrobus, tramway, all these public transportation lines are walking distance, which means that you don't need car to live here. And for short-term rentals, this location is very close to Fatih. My opinion, maybe not student, but tourists may stay here for a couple weeks or months to live the central location of Istanbul. So today we explained to you Topkapı area and the 3S Kale Topaz Residence. If you have any questions about this project, you can comment under the video. Thank you for watching. See you on the next episode.